welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm showing you how to deposit money into your Robinhood account in 2025. Quick and simple, so you can start trading or investing without delay. First, open the Robinhood app and log into your account. From the home screen, tap the account icon at the bottom right. Next, select transfer or transfer to Robinhood. Here, tap transfer funds and then choose deposit. Now, enter the amount you want to deposit. Robinhood usually has a minimum deposit of $1, so you can start with whatever amount suits you. After that, select the bank account linked to your Robinhood account. If you haven't linked a bank yet, just follow the prompts to add your bank details safely. Once everything is set, confirm the transfer. Deposit usually takes 1 to 3 business days to clear, depending on your bank. Keep in mind, instant deposits are also available for certain amounts if you have a Robinhood Gold. And that's it. Your money will be in your Robinhood account soon, ready to invest or trade. If this guide helps you out, smash the like button, leave your questions below, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips and updates. See you in the next video.